Ola Electric announces the expansion of its 4680 Bharat cell into India's new energy platform at Prarambh 2026. Announces expansion of 4680 Bharat cell platform beyond mobility and residential energy storage, opens up sale of 4680 Bharat cells and 1.5 kWh 4680 Bharat cell battery packs to businesses and startups. Opens purchase of Ola Shakti, India's first residential BESS, which is fully designed, engineered, and manufactured domestically, powered by Ola's indigenous 4680 Bharat cells. Begins delivery of the Roadster X Plus 9.1 kWh powered by the 4680 Bharat cell with range of up to 500 km. Scaled up deliveries of S1 Pro Plus 5.2 kWh powered by 4680 Bharat cell pan India. Ola Electric today announced the expansion of its 4680 Bharat cell platform at Prarambh 2026. With the 4680 Bharat cell platform, businesses and startups can now directly purchase the 4680 Bharat cells or the 1.5 kWh 4680 Bharat cell battery pack for application across automotive, humanoids, drones, and portable medical equipment. With this announcement, the company will enable startups and businesses to innovate and scale rapidly with new energy storage solutions designed, engineered, and manufactured in India. The company also announced that its residential battery energy storage system (BESS) solution, Ola Shakti, is now available for purchase with deliveries for Shakti 6 kW, 9.1 kWh starting end of January 2026 and Shakti 3 kW, 5.2 kWh starting mid-February 2026. Furthermore, the company has also begun deliveries of its flagship motorcycle, Roadster X Plus 9.1 kWh powered by the 4680 Bharat cell, offering a range of up to 500 km on single charge. In addition to this, the company has scaled up deliveries pan-India of the S1 Pro Plus 5.2 kWh. At the core of these products is the 4680 Bharat cell, company's in-house energy platform which now powers its two-wheeler portfolio as well as Ola Shakti, one cell, one platform, one portfolio built for India. Ola Shakti represents a fundamental shift in how Indians will access, control, and consume energy, as a portable, on-demand resource designed for modern Indian households, farms, and businesses. Spokesperson, Ola Electric said, "The 4680 Bharat cell is at the core of our in-house energy and mobility ecosystem, and we are now scaling this platform well beyond consumer vehicles and residential energy. By opening up the 4680 Bharat cell platform to businesses and startups, we are enabling a wide range of applications, from humanoids and drones to electric vehicles and portable medical machines. Businesses can either purchase the 4680 Bharat cell directly or leverage a 1.5 kWh 4680 Bharat cell battery pack to rapidly build and scale their products. With one cell and one scalable platform powering mobility, energy, and advanced technologies, we are building a future-ready energy backbone designed, engineered, and manufactured in India." Ola Shakti is now available to purchase in two configurations: 3 kW, 5.2 kWh priced at 149,999 rupees, and 6 kW, 9.1 kWh priced at 249,999 rupees. The system can power air conditioners, refrigerators, induction cookers, farm pumps, and communication equipment, with fast charging times and backup capacity of up to 1.5 hours on full load. The product is available for purchase on the Ola Electric website as well as Ola Electric stores, with deliveries for Shakti 9 kWh starting end of January 2026 and Shakti 5.2 kWh starting mid-February 2026. Priced at Rs. 89,999, the Roadster X Plus 9.1 kWh features an 11 kW motor paired with a 9.1 kWh battery with 4680 Bharat cell, delivering an impressive range of up to 500 km on a single charge and a top speed of 125 kmph, and achieves 0 to 40 kmph in just 2.7 seconds. Priced at Rs. 90,338, the S1 Pro Plus 5.2 kWh features a 13 kW motor paired with 5.2 kWh battery with 4680 Bharat cell. The S1 Pro Plus delivers an IDC range of up to 320 km, a top speed of 130 kmph, and can hit 0 to 40 kmph in just 2.1 seconds.
These MoveOS features in it. It's in every way a better product, and with this, with the 4680 cell, with 500 kilometers, just go and buy the motorcycle. I didn't speak about the performance, electric vehicles, the best performance, 2.7 seconds for 0 to 40 kilometers. Again, sorry, why am I talking about it today before I'm not going back? I'm talking about it today because later in the day today, we're going to have our community here taking deliveries of their Roadster X Pluses. Abhishek.
Thank you, Rupa. Now you all have heard